To pledge.
Stretch your arms forward.
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always stay to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and
Incoming
prosperity.
call from M. Namath
Hello,
Komal grade
life
10 identified
and
by
happiness.
Grade 7 Topaz got you news bulletin. I am Sirvanala here to tell international and national news. International news. Bangladesh Armed Forces Chief makes rare joint visit to ally ex-PM Khaleda Zia. National news. White House says very optimistic on chances of Ukraine deal. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Muhammad Hiyal from Grade 7 Topaz. State news. 7 social welfare intermediate students suspended after attack on class 10 student in Yadadri district. Sport news. Virat Kohli slams 50 touch ODI century. Moves one step closer to Sachin Tendulkar's world record. Thank you. Have a wonderful Thursday.
Everyone, today's weather forecast is brought to you by Purvika. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, precipitation 20%, humidity 63%, wind speed 16 km per hour, partly cloudy. That's the end of today's news bulletin. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Durga from Grade 7 Topaz. Thought: if you are spending your whole life waiting for the storm, you will never enjoy the sunshine. I repeat again, if you are spending your whole life waiting for the storm, you will never enjoy the sunshine. It means if you are spending your whole life fearing for the storm, you will miss joy of sunshine. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Amulya of Grade 7 Topaz. Word: adversity. Meaning a difficult situation. Friends, please spell after me. Adversity. ADV Adversity. Thank you. Have a good day. Very pleasant morning to all. This is Emma Shordan Reddy of Grade 7 Topaz. Today I am going to say about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a famous writer who was born on May 19, 1934 in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. He spent his childhood in Dehradun, Maurya and Shimla. After completing his formal studies, he went to England for his higher studies. He published his first book in England. The Room on the Roof is his first book. When he was in 17 years old, he published it. He received Sahitya Academic Award in 1993. Padma Shri Award in 1932 and Padma Bhushan Award in 1999. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by KM1 of Grade 7 Topaz. Question for Grade 7. In which year Ruskin Bond was born?
1940.
Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 19 May 1934. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. In which year did Ruskin Bond receive the Sahitya Academic Award? 1993. Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 1993. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. In which year Ruskin Bond first came to Missouri to stay permanently?
England.
I will repeat my question. In which year the Ruskin Bond first came to Missouri to stay permanently? Sorry, you didn't pick the any answer and the answer is 1963. Open question for all. Question number 1. In which year does Ruskin Bond receive the Padma Shri Award? 1991. Sorry, you didn't pick the any answer and the answer is 1999. Question number 2. In which year does Ruskin Bond receive the Padma Bhushan Award? 1931. Yes, you booked the correct answer and the answer is 1932. Let us appreciate that. Thank you.
Everyone, today's amazing facts is brought to you by V. Vishal Naidu of grade 7 Topaz. Fact number 1. Shakespeare introduced more than 1700 words to the language of English. Fact number 2. More than 800 words are added to the English dictionary every year. Fact number 3. The word rhythm is the longest word in English without a vowel. Fact number 4. The word run in English can be used in 600 different ways. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's tongue twister is brought to you by Sirvenala from grade 7. Tongue twister. Blue bluebirds blinks beautifully beneath the bright blue sky. I repeat it again. Blue bluebirds blinks beautifully beneath the bright blue sky. Thank you.